Hello everyone. I have this physics question that says 3 charges plus 12 column minus 30 column and minus 18 columns are distributed as in the diagram shown below. Now we should find the resultant force acting on the 12 column charge. So the diagram is given. We have the plus 12 column charge here, and then we have minus 30 column charge here, then we have minus 18 column charge here. The distance separating the 12 column charge and minus 18 column charge is 2 meters, and the distance separating the 12 column charge and minus 30 column charge is 3 meters. So we are supposed to calculate the forces that will exist between them. So starting with the force that exists between the 12 column charge and minus 30 column charge, we can have that we can call that one F1, right, is equals to Q1 Q2 all over 4 pi mu naught r square. So if in this condition, if I take this one as Q1, I take this one as Q2, then I will be having 12 times 30 all divided by 4 pi mu naught, and then the distance between them is 3, so you have 3 square. Okay, so let's note that this can be separated as 1 over 4 pi mu naught time, so let's multiply these two. 30 times 12 will give you 360. 360 divided by 9, right? But then 1 over 4 pi mu naught is a constant. It has a value, and that value is given by 9 times 10 raised to power 9, right? Then times 360 over 9. So looking at this value now, let's divide through. So we'll be having 9 exponential 9 times 360. So we'll be having 3240 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 divided by what? 9. So let's divide it by 9. So we'll be having 3 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 10 again. 3 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Right? So this can also be what? 3.6 times 10 raised to power 11. So since it is force, it will be in Newton. Okay, that's the first step. So the next one now, we'll look for the force that exists between the 12 column and the minus 18 column, right? So we'll call that one F2, and then we can say Q1 Q2 all over 4 pi mu naught r square. Now here Q1 will still be 12, but Q2 will become this. Okay, so we have 12 times 18. If you observe, the 1 over 4 pi mu naught is just times 10 raised to power 9 times 10 raised to power 9. divided by the radius square. Here, the distance between the two of them is 2 meters. So we have 2 square. So let's multiply the numerator and divide it by the denominator. Right? So let's get our calculator. So we have 12 times 18 times 9 exponential 9. So that's going to give us 1.944 times 10 raised to power 12. So we are dividing it by 4 because 2 square is 4. So it's going to give us 4.86 times 10 raised to power 11. So since this is force to is what? In Newton. Alright, if that is gotten, then let's find the resultant of this force. If you wish, you can just solve it. If you wish, you can draw the diagram. So if I want to draw the diagram, it should be something like this. F1 will be here, F2 will be here, and then the resultant will just be here, which is F. And then the angle that it will form an angle with this. So this angle is theta, right? Okay, so let's find the resultant now. Resultant F is equal to square root of F1 plus what? F2. So it's equals to square root of, and this F will be squared, please. So we'll be having this value 3.6 times 10 raised to the power 11 all squared, then plus 4.86 times 10 raised to the power 11 all squared. So your F will be equals to square root of, so let's take the square of this value. So when we square this value, we're going to be having, let's square 3.6 exponential 11, then we square it. So it's going to give us 1.296 times 10 raised to power what? 23. Then plus, let's take this value and square it as well. So we have 4.86 exponential 11, then we square it. So we're going to be having 2.361 times 10 raised to power 23. So F1 is equal to square root of, now let's add them together. Let's add those values together, and this answer. Okay, so we have 1.29 exponential 23 plus 2.361 exponential 23. So we're having 3.651 times 10 raised to the power 23. Okay, so this is going to give us, let's find the square root of that answer. Square root of what? Let's find the square root of 3.651 exponential 23. So we're going to be having the value. So when we take the square root, we're going to be having 6.04 times 10 raised to power 11 Newton. So this is going to be our resultant force. Okay, so how about the angle? So we have to find the angle. Angle is tan theta is equals to what? F1 divided by what? F2. So we will now use theta is equals to tan inverse of f1 divided by what? f2. So our theta will be equals to tan inverse of what is our f1? f1 is 3.6 times 10 raised to the power 11 divided by f2 4.86 times 10 raised to the power 11. So to make this simple, this 10 raised to the power 11 can cancel each other. So we have tan inverse of 3.6 divided by 4.86. So let's divide that value first. 3.6 divided by 4.86. So it's going to give us 0. Tan inverse of 0.7407. So our theta now will be equals to, so let's find the tan inverse of that value. Tan So the tan inverse of that value is going to give us 36.5 degrees. So what this means is that the net force is 6.04 times 10 raised to the power 11, and then it is in the direction of 36.5 degrees to the line joining the 12 column charge to the what? Minus 18 column charge. So if I put the 10 column charge here, so it's joining the minus 12 column charge here, and this is minus 30 column charge. So that's how you represent it. Okay, that brings us to the end of this calculation. Thank you for following, and I will see you in the next. Bye for now.